Are you passionate about robotics, automation, and the future of intelligent machines? Step into the world of innovation with the B.Tech in Mechatronics Engineering at Echelon Institute of Technology. Interdisciplinary curriculum. This program brings together the best of mechanical, electrical, electronics, computer, and control engineering all in one. Autonomous vehicles, industrial automation, medical devices, aerospace systems, smart consumer electronics. Higher studies and research graduates can pursue M.Tech or MS in robotics, AI, automation, or control systems. Top recruiters include Bosch, Siemens, ABB, GE, ISRO, DRDO, Tata Motors, Mahindra, Tech Mahindra, Infosys, and emerging startups in robotics and automation. At Echelon, we don't just prepare engineers. We nurture innovators and problem solvers for tomorrow's intelligent world. Admissions open. Apply now and engineer the future with us.